In this video, I am going to show how to create and run C or C++ program on Visual Studio Code in Windows operating system. So let's get started. Make sure that you already have installed Visual Studio Code and open it. If you don't have installed Visual Studio Code on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install Visual Studio Code, and then make sure that whether you install GCC or G++ compiler or not on your system. Open command prompt and check this using this command gcc version G++ version. I already have installed GCC and G++ compiler. If you don't have installed it on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install GCC and G++ compiler for C or C++ programming language on Windows operating system. After installing GCC and G++ compiler, open Visual Studio Code and then click on the extension button or press Ctrl Shift X at the same time, and then search the extensions name C or C++ and install C or C++ extension pack developed by Microsoft. Okay, C or C++ extension pack installed successfully. Now I am going to create a C program. So navigate to desktop or anywhere on your computer and then create a directory using this command, and then navigate the directory using cd. Okay, now open Visual Studio Code and this folder. Okay, now create a new file. I am going to name it my program dot extension for C programming language. Hit enter. Okay, now I am going to create a simple C program. This program will print a message hello world. So save this file and then go to the top right corner of the editor. Here you will see a run and debug button. Click on this drop down icon and then select run C or C++ file. Now select debug configuration, select GCC compiler and click on the terminal tab. Here you will see the output hello world. I am going to change this message, save this file and then run. That's it. C program runs successfully in Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to create a C++ program. So close this and I am going to delete this file. Okay, and reopen Visual Studio Code and then create a new file. I am going to name it my program dot extension for C++ programming language. Okay, now I'm going to create a simple C++ program. This program will print a message, hello world. Save this file and I am going to run this program. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click on the drop down icon and then select run C or C++ file. Now select G++ compiler for C++ programming language. Now click on the terminal tab and see the output. I am going to modify this message. Save this file and click on this run button. That's it. C++ program run successfully on Visual Studio Code. If you don't have the run button on the Visual Studio Code, you can install another extension named Code Runner. Install this extension, trust publisher and install. Okay, now I am going to run C++ program using Code Runner. So restart Visual Studio Code and select the file and then click on this drop down icon and select Code Runner button. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.